drones buzzing around when you're trying to enjoy your Sunday afternoon drive? Well, get on down to Wild Willie's and buy you a can of this here anti-drone spray. We will guarantee you'll fix your droning problem, so not to ruin your Sunday afternoon drive ever again.
Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So we're going to test and see, does undercoating spray reduce the amount of muffler noise inside the car? So you may or may not know this car has a Flowmaster, the original Flowmaster American Thunder catback system on it, and it's extremely loud, especially inside the car. So we have a decibel meter here, and we're going to measure how loud it is in the car. Okay, she's going to set it to maximum. We're just going to cruise at 55 miles an hour.
90.2.
90.2.
Oh wait, 97.6. Oh,
Well, you just yelled at it.
Okay, 90.2.
Well, let's do it again when we won't talk.
Okay. 86.5.
Okay, 86.5. That's going to be our baseline. 55 miles an hour. And we'll do another baseline on the highway here in just a minute, coming home. And then we'll go and undercoat the bottom of the car, and we will put it all back together and take it for another drive and see if it made any difference. This will be our idle test. So 78.6. All right, now let's get to undercoating, then we'll test it again. Guys, we're going to check our decibel levels here. Cruising at 55 miles an hour. And last but not least, there's our idle. Okay guys, the results are in. So there's negligible difference for the undercoating. So don't waste your time with the undercoating. It's not going to make a difference that you can hear. The only difference I think that I could find was actually I hear a little less engine noise. In other words, just the rotational sounds of the engine that you would hear. The undercoating is basically a waste of time. It does look nice. That's pretty much it. So moving forward from here, I'm going to change to the Flowmaster 50 series Delta mufflers. So what's on here now are the original 40 series, and the drone inside the car is unbearable. As you can tell, 95 decibels for any length of time is just unbearable. So be on the lookout for a new video. We're going to compare the Flowmaster 40 series, original 40 series, with the 50 series Delta. So I'm going to have a good side-by-side comparison of those two mufflers. Thanks guys for watching.